Hi, my name is Lucas Van Leeuwen with ELV Select. Today we're doing an install on a brand new Taurus K762 baler. This machine has traveled all the way from Italy, 6,000 kilometers to arrive in the port of Texas, up through North America, and to arrive here in BC. We at ELV Select are here with Taurus International and Zero Recycling to install and get this machine running for the customer in less than 2 weeks. The first part of the baler is the shear head, which is 23 tons, which gets welded to the 60-ton bale body. Next, the protective plates are added to the machine to protect electrical, pumps, and hoses from the hard life ahead of this machine. The electrical panel is installed and wired up, and electrical is tested for voltage consistency. Pumps and motors are tested, pressures are set, the bale box, the wings, the shear head, and the clamp are all in smooth operation, and the customer is ready for training.